It's Vlogmas! Let's just be honest. Let's just be real. Also, I've just won this cape so that I do this vlog. But, where's you? Come back to me. But, let me show you guys something. I'm trying to let it detect my face. This camera. So guys, this is actually continuous of the video. Let me tell you, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. It's the 14th of October on a Tuesday at 6 p.m. and I received my package. Of course, I'm traveling and I broke my other suitcase in Malaysia. The wheel got out, so I was expecting a new suitcase today. I bought the suitcase and I bought a cover for it, so I hope it looks the same as it was looking. Yeah, it is. I'm just hoping it's tall. It's tall and it can hold a lot. Let me go get the knife. I waited for it the whole day. They bring it at 6 p.m. Reminds me of the day I was waiting for my visa. Couldn't breathe the whole day. I should have bought a pink one, no? No. Silver is fine. Relax. Let's pull it from like this. I didn't even return my table. I wanted to. I hope it's big. God. I swear it looks just like the other one. It looks just like the one that got spoiled. Exact. It's funny because that's what I wanted. But I'm hoping that this one doesn't break. Should I bought pink? I didn't buy pink. What's this? Oh, they give you like a cover? Nah, I bought another cover. Kinda nice. Kinda strong. Same thing like the other one. Blah blah blah. Silver. Just like the other one. But I'm thinking, should I have just bought a green one? A pink one? I was so 50-50 about pink because pink always spoils faster. And pink is like screaming. This one is fine, okay? Anyway, yeah. I'll see you guys when I travel. I just want to put some things that I bought here. Because I want to put like, you know, like, other than them being outside. Oh, okay, bye. Hello, babies. It is Sunday. 1 week before I travel. And guess what? Criminal. Criminal. I don't scare. Me, I'm packing. I'm checking my outfits like Monday I'm wearing this, Tuesday I'm wearing this, Wednesday I'm wearing this, Thursday I'm wearing that. So I want to pack my stuff and yeah. so that me, I'm not a last minute person. Because when it's it's a holiday that I've been waiting for months. I'm not a last minute person. Come on. But this week we're gonna make our nails. We're gonna make everything. Anyway, I'll talk to you later. Bye. Not bye. Let's pack together. Come on. Wake up in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream from the top of my lungs. What's going on?
Yo, hey, your man haters English and they can't say nothing. A couple mother can't tell me nothing. I bees in the trap, bees in the trap. I bees in the trap, bees in the trap. Boy, haters ain't English and they can't say nothing. Your man, a couple mother can't tell me nothing. I bees in the trap, bees in the trap.
Hello, Habibis! Welcome and welcome back to another YouTube video. Another banger. Another banger. Welcome and welcome back to another YouTube video. It's Vlogmas. And on today's video, it is travel prep. Because we have less than 4 days, so it's like less than 3 days to actually head out, like travel. But anyway, guys, on today's vlog, the first thing I want to do is actually I better go and make this hair. I want to go do a good wash and do a good cornrows for my wig. That's the first thing. And then you guys will see me packing previously, in which I packed days before. Then we are going to go and make my nails, my wig we're gonna install. So I hope you guys enjoy this travel prep with me because I am excited. Are you excited to know where we're going? Are you excited? Let's head out now because let's just go, because I don't want to talk a lot. To be honest, I don't want to talk about a lot, and my hair is very itchy and very untidy. Doesn't look good, Mr. Armstrong.
In 3
No limit, yo. Well. Got to the salon. I got to the salon. I'm actually 1 hour earlier. I said 1:30, it's 12:30. I want to do it so faster so that I go back home, honestly. So let's go to the salon and make this crazy hair. Good morning, Habibis. It is 6:30 in the AMs. Let me tell you, I'm on the road. I'm so dry. I know my pimples are really reacting. I don't know. My peas this time, they just came with a bang. And it's all on my face and it's so annoying. But anyway, it's 6 a.m. in the morning. Okay, I woke up at 6, so it's probably 6:30, 6:45. I want to start heading out because I got a long road to Sharjah, and I'm gonna make my hair. That's why I have not put anything, and my nails on the same day. It's crazy. But anyway, let's go because it's Monday. So the traffic that is outside, I beg, everyone and their mothers and their fathers and their aunties and their sisters are outside. They're outside in the morning But anyway, let's head out so that we can go and finish the travel prep, because tomorrow we're going on a trip, on a ship, na 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 na, feel like na na na. So let's head out, because your outfit of the day is this dress, and then I just put this on top because this dress is very dangerous when you're a woman and you have your piece. You can't surpassing, then you look like a clown. Okay. Okay, let's go now.
Red hearts, that's what I'm on, yeah. Come give me something I can feel, oh, oh, oh.
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now?
Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the apate, 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 apate.
Just meet me at the
apate, 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 apate. Just meet me at the apate, 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 apate. Apate, 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 apate.
Hello, babies! It's time! Can you see them? Can you see them? Packed and ready to go. It is currently 7:13 in the PMs on Tuesday, the 25th of November. And this is when I'm going. I'm going to the airport. I'm going to a trip in the rocket ship. Na, 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 na. Little rock star, little rock star. Woo! Anyway, I'm excited. And of course, I'll carry you along. And then you can guess on this video. Where do you think I am going? Where do you think I am going? If you do know, please write in the comment section. Otherwise, guys, without further ado, let's go. Let's go to the airport. Let's go to the beach. Beach? No.